Welcome to the Weather Centre on Friday, where a cold front brings in the possibility of rainfall for the Western Cape, and we'll see the possibility of rain extend through to the Eastern Cape by Friday night. That frontal system results in cooler weather, mainly over the southwestern part of South Africa, with some cloud extending through to the Eastern Cape in the second part of the day. Fine and dry weather continues over the eastern parts, with a warm forecast for KwaZulu-Natal. On our rainfall probability map, you'll see up to an 80% chance of rainfall, mainly along the Western Cape coastline, with the possibility of rainfall decreasing as we head further inland, as well as along the west coast, and then you'll see that rain will reach the Eastern Cape on Friday night. In the northeast, we can expect a maximum temperature of around 20 degrees for Gauteng and the northwest, 22 for Polokwane, only 17 for Ermelo, 10 degrees above that for Phalaborwa at 27, 19 for Bloemfontein and Welkom, with a warm day for KwaZulu-Natal, where maximum temperatures peak in the mid-20s, still warm for Mthatha at 25, a few degrees cooler for Grahamstown, Bishu and Queenstown, all in the low 20s. 27 for Richards Bay, with a moderate north-northeasterly wind. You'll see much cooler temperatures as we head towards Port Elizabeth with a fresh southwesterly wind. Light and variable winds are forecast for Port St John's and Durban, both in the mid-20s, with a 1.5 metre easterly swell at 9 seconds along the east coast. 23 is your high for Graaff-Reinet. Cooler weather extends through to the Western Cape at the high of 17 degrees for Vredendal, Worcester and Robertson. We head into the mid-teens as we head towards the coast with a moderate southwesterly wind for False Bay. We'll see a west-southwesterly wind from Hermanus all the way through to Jeffreys Bay, with wind speeds of between 25 and 40 kilometres per hour for Cape Agulhas. Along the south coast, we're expecting a 2-metre southwesterly swell at 12 seconds. Mild as we head towards Uppington, Kimberley and Prescott, all in the low 20s. After the cooler day over the western and southern part of the Northern Cape, with highs in the teens, Sutherland at a mere 12 degrees. Along the west coast, we're forecasting a maximum of 20 for Alexander Bay, with a strong south-southeasterly wind. We head into the mid-teens as we head towards Table Bay, with a moderate southwesterly wind for Cape Town and Langebaan. And along the west coast, we're expecting a 2.5 metre southwesterly swell at 12 seconds. On Saturday, we'll see the cooler and wet weather move in over the Eastern Cape and KwaZulu-Natal. Temperatures still remain cold for the Western Cape, and we're forecasting mild temperatures over the central and northeastern parts. That's all from the Weather Centre for now. Have a lovely Friday.